African soul and conscience is trapped in the religion and this spirituality it has been given under the Christian banner and Islam banner, whereby the African child has become twice a slave to the master who governs him and to the religion that manages his conscience. I want to say it publicly. The only reason we are still here, and the only reason the colonizer is still here, because the Bible says, thou shalt not kill. That's why they're still here. If we did not have the Bible that says, thou shalt not kill, tell me what would have done with the colonizers up to this very day. I'm not lying. You can come and lock me up and call this hate speech. We would have flushed them out and thrown them out in the Indian Ocean and sent them back where they came from. But because of religion and because of Christianity, and you white people, you better all of you become Christians. You better become Christians. It's embarrassing that now blacks have become more Christian than white people themselves. Because the only thing that is keeping you on Africa, living with people that you are oppressing, is the religion that you gave them. And I'm speaking on behalf of, I'm a minister of the gospel, fully trained. Our business is to manage the consciences of the community to make sure that they don't fight and revolt against the system. Yes, that's what we do. We teach the people how to dress, how to treat Mlungu, how to look for jobs, and how to become yes boss, yes boss, yes boss, and how to work together. And at the end of the day, the system we have been given is not there for the liberation of the African people. I challenge the political systems, challenge EFF, challenge ZANU-PF, I challenge ANC, I challenge all the political parties, wherever you are. When you win, when you lose, go to other countries and study and see how they have nationalized their resources so that those resources can benefit the local people. I can't believe Zimbabwe, my own country, has 87 rare minerals that are being looked and sought for in the whole world. And yet the country to date does not have its own currency. Does not have its own currency. What's your problem? The mines are in your hands. The taxes are in your hands. Can't you just take tax money and dig the damn diamonds, dig the damn platinum and sell it? Build roads and hospitals for the people? How complicated can that be? How complicated can that be? Can you please send this video to Elder Mnangagwa himself? How complicated can that be? No, there must be a board, a barrow, there must be a committee, there must be what? A board that will process things, and before the money even comes there, all the hungry political leaders are in the pot, harvesting and stealing the same money from the same coffers that's supposed to be helping the community. Where do we begin?